Welcome guys! So, I'm here to introduce you the brand new Hohem action camera gimbal. The design is really appealing. It's simple to use and the stability is fabulous. With its new features, it can really make a difference in professional jobs or just for fun. iSteady Pro 2 is what you've always wanted. So, let's get out of the box. The case is very beautiful and soft to the touch. Inside we can find the gimbal, which is of very good material. The bottom is made of rubber, I think, and allows perfect grip. We can find a short Type-C USB cable and a micro USB that can be used to connect our action camera to the gimbal. And here is my fantastic little tripod that I love. Once we have screwed it to the gimbal, we can place it comfortably on our table. I use a GoPro Hero 6 here to test the product. Insert it in its place and turn the two screws well. The new GoPro have the power button right on the side where the motor is, but it's not a problem, as I have detached it in inch without any problems. Once we have turned on our iSteady Pro 2, we can control it with the joystick positioned in the center. This slider allows our action camera to rotate x-axis to correct the horizon. These days I tested it in some marriages, and I must say that it surprised me. I didn't notice any vibration, and the rotations were accurate. I tried to move fast and used the joystick a lot to feel the smoothness. I even tried to get him out of a running car and, wow, no vibration despite the wind at 80 km/h. It is very fun to use and has 4 important functions. Pressing once, you have a pan follow to move the gimbal to the left or to the right. Pressing twice, you have pan and tilt follow. By pressing 3 times, you have all locked. The gimbal blocks all the axes. By pressing 4 times, you have all follow. The camera gently follows your movements and reduces vibrations. By double-clicking the button located on the back, the camera will return to the center position. In all lock, you can position the camera to make fantastic 360-degree shot. Here you can insert the cable to recharge the action camera, and I must say that it's cool because the GoPro is always unloaded at the end of the day. By clicking the power button once, you can check the gimbal's battery status. With your Hohem Gimbal app, you can connect your iSteady Pro 2 and make a lot of things like move your gimbal directly from your phone or make a unique motion lapse video. Here you can calibrate the gimbal and change the settings as you want. By clicking more, you can check the firmware info and update it. So guys, I wanna say thank to Hohem for giving me this new treasure. I love it and I think I will use it in my professional videos. So if you have any questions, please let me know. See you next time. Peace!